I welcome you to this lesson, primary 6 members, and we are still looking at data handling as a topic. So in data handling, we are going to look at in our lesson 6, we are going to look at the circle graphs, stroke pie charts. So circle graph is the same as pie chart, and here is a diagram showing us these circle graphs. Here in the first column we are having fraction, in the second we are having percentage, and in the third we are having degrees. So when you talk of circle graphs, we can talk it in terms of fractions, in terms of percentages, and in terms of degrees. So when it is this one is a circle and this is a hole, in terms of percentage it is 100%, then in terms of degrees it is one complete revolution, which is 360 degrees. Then we have a half of it, a half of a hole, then a half of 100% is 50%, a half of 360 degrees is 180 degrees. Then we have a quarter of a whole, then a quarter of 100% is 25%, a quarter of 360 degrees is 90 degrees. So here we are talking of circle graphs in terms of a whole, in terms of percentages, and in terms of degrees. So let's look at example 1. Here we are. It goes, the pie chart below shows the grades obtained in PLA in a class of 180 pupils. So this pie chart is showing the performance of a certain class which was having 180 pupils. And here we are, the first grade, those who have not got first grade, they have given us the value of first grade is y. Inside the first grade is y. The second grade, they have given us degrees, 150 degrees. And in the third grade, they have given us a symbol. That symbol is here, like this. So I don't know if they have not written the degrees there, but we know that when you are looking at right angles, this symbol here is a symbol for 90 degrees. Once you find the symbol here, this symbol here of a right angle is a symbol for 90 degrees. So here, the degrees that are being represented by third grade is 90 degrees. So here, we go to part A of the question. It says, find the value of y. Find the value of y. So here, to get this value of y, we are going to get y, we add 150 degrees and we add the 90 degrees which are here. I repeat, here I am saying 90 degrees because of this symbol for right angle. And the right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So that is why I am saying plus this 90. And we equate to 360 degrees. Why are we equating to 360 degrees? Because here they have given us each sector here in terms of degrees. That's why I'm saying we are equating to 360 degrees. So we shall say y plus 150 degrees plus the 90 degrees here, giving us 360 degrees. Where am I getting the 360 degrees? It is the one which makes up the whole of it, the circle, which is 360 degrees, so they are here. Then, to get the value of y, now we are adding 150 plus 90 degrees. We come up with 240 is equal to 360 degrees. So it is now y plus 240 degrees minus 240 degrees is equal to 360 degrees minus 240 degrees. So y is equal to, here, 240 degrees minus 240 degrees, you come up with 0. Then what about 360 minus 240, let's have side worker here. 360 minus 240. So here 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4, it is 2. Then 3 minus 2, 1. So you get 120 degrees. So y is equal to 120 degrees. The value of y is 120 degrees. Part B of the question says, how many pupils passed in first grade? How many pupils passed in the first grade? Then you come to the first grade. In the first grade, we are having y. And good enough, we have still to get the value of y as 120 degrees. So this sector is being represented by 120 degrees. So to get the number of children who passed in the first grade, we are going to get the degrees for this sector here, first grade, which is now 120 degrees out of the total degree. We can make up a pie chart, which is 360 degrees times the number of children who sat for period A, which is 180 pupils. 180. So it is now 120 out of 360 times 180. So here we are going to divide, and here dividing. So this is 180 pupils. Here we are going to divide this 0 and this 0. Then we can divide here by 12 divided by 12. You get 1. 36 divided by 12. It is 3. Then here 3 divided by 3 is 1. Here we are saying 18 divided by 3, you get 6. Then 0 divided by 3 is 0. So here you come up with 60 pupils. So there are 60 pupils which passed in the first grade. Part C. How many pupils passed in the second grade? How many pupils passed in the second grade? So you got the pie chart here. The second grade is having 150 degrees. 150 degrees out of the total, which is 360 degrees, times the total number of children who sat for period A, which is 180 pupils. 150 divided by out of 360 times 180 pupils. Then here you can divide a 0 with a 0. Then we look for a number can be divisible by this and this. We can be divided by 36 and 180. So the number is 18. 36 divided by 18, you get 2. Then 18 divided by 18 here is 1. Then 0 divided by 18 is 0. We come up with 10. Here, 2 divided by 2, 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. You remain with 15 times 5. 15 times 5. It is side work. 15 times 5. Let's arrange vertically. 5 times 5 is 25. You write 5 and we group 2. 5 times 1 it is 5 plus 2, 7. So here The answer is 75. 75 pupils passed in the second grade. The last part says, how many pupils passed in third grade? How many pupils passed in third grade? How many pupils passed in the third grade? So if I'm the third grade we have 90 degrees there. So we can say 90 degrees out of 360 degrees times the total number of children we search for PLP, which is 180 pupils. So from here, can now divide okay, let me repeat. Times 180, we can divide here 0 with a 0. Then 9 divided by 9 here. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Then 36 divided by 9 is 4. Then here we can say 4 divided by 2 is 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Here 95, 9 divided by 2. You say 9 divided by 2. You get 4. Then the remainder is 1. The remainder we put it here, however, we don't write it here, it becomes 10. 10 divided by 2, you get 5. 5 pupils. Pupils. So that marks the end of our lesson 6. Thank you for attending the lesson, and the work has been already sent to you. So please attend it and endeavor to send it back for marking. Thank you.